It's just a feeling I get when you come near, kinda like when you're nibbling on my ear. It manifests itself in the tingle of my thigh, neck loose, head tilted back to the sky. A moan escapes and I'm lost in emotion. Whoa, 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 what was all that commotion? Oh, nothing, baby, just the pounding of my pulse. Just flow with the moment and follow impulse. So I cup your face between my hands, gaze into your eyes before my lips land. Then they close tight because I'm getting a sensation of momentary elation. My heart's inflating. I'm getting hooked, kiss by kiss, breath to breath. You're getting all of me. There's nothing left. Running your fingers across my back, getting chills up my spine, and that's a fact. You drift down to caress my curves, and I tense. Baby, you hit a nerve. My breath is coming shorter and faster, getting more intense. Seems like the clock ticks faster. My heart starts racing and another moan escapes. You can't predict this, it's just fate. I pause to look into your eyes and just wonder, why this man? A question I'm left to ponder. Because you're pulling me back and we get hot, caressing and loving all time is forgot. How can I focus when you kiss me? I guess I'm supposed to unravel that mystery. But baby, my skin is on fire, yearning for your touch. We can't go far too soon because it's too much. Yet it doesn't stop my mind from reeling, trying to tell myself, calm down. It's just a feeling.